to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Vette channel. Today we're looking at a 2008, I believe is what he said, a 2008 Chevy Corvette. This has an LS3 in it, and it has easily been cammed. We're gonna grab a picture. It also has headers on it, an exhaust. It's got CCW wheels on it. Let's see if I can get it there and show you guys. Yeah, there we go. CCW wheels all the way around. So it's black on black, absolutely gorgeous. Corbeau racing seats and harnesses. Like, this car is good to go. And we're going to show you guys a little bit of a reaction video from me going on a ride in it. If I had the money, I would totally buy it. And I believe he's gonna post it up for around $23,000. Epic car, definitely worth it. So I'm gonna put down his information down below in my description. And definitely hit up my guy Mitch, because he's got several cars out here, and I'm sure he's got even more than that. But this Corvette, man, if I had the money, I would buy it. I would buy it in a heartbeat. So gorgeous. Anyhow, let's go ahead and put in that clip of me riding along, and you guys can laugh with me as I act like a little girl. I'm not kidding, this thing is wild. Corbeau racing seats, a roll bar, 4-point harness, LS3. This car.
I'll get it out real fast when
Wow.
it comes down, and you can feel it in all overdrive.
Oh shit, you sure you want to sell it? So if you guys enjoyed that video, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe. Drop those comments down below. Let me know what you think this is making horsepower wise. And if you guys are interested, don't forget, check that description for Mitch's info and hit him up. Thank you, Mitch. That's amazing, bro.